Alright, this is a quick tutorial to teach you how to get more steam power using steemauto. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is once you click register to connect through Steam Connect, and then you choose the account you want to use, put your username and your posting key, and you're good to go. So once you get that done, you just have to log in. Right, that's the account I'm logging in with. Right, and then when you log in, this is what you'll see. Alright, settings. Yeah, let's just talk about that quickly. Okay, so you can see you can set a limit order, and like for example, I told the system once it gets to 50% stop upvoting people. So right now is at 57%, and if those that I'm upvoting automatically keeps posting, and then it keeps upvoting, once it gets to 50%, it stops upvoting automatically. Alright, so the different features here. Sorry about that. That's my mobile phone. A creation trail where people follow you. Alright, so in your creation trail, once people follow your creation trail, once you upvote with a certain percentage, that means those guys are also upvoting with the same um, voting percentage. Alright, so that's exactly how it works. So I can choose to follow this creation trail, and if I do, any post that is upvoted by Crypto Octopus, I'll automatically upvote that post too. Same thing with query. Alright, so that's that about creation trail. So what that means is that once they upvote, you upvote automatically. Um, fanbase. Now, fanbase enables you to upvote your friends, your favorite authors, right? So how to use auto. So you fix in the person's username, and then click follow. Now, once that is done, um, you automatically follow that person's so whenever that person makes a post, it gets upvoted by you automatically, right? So I just added someone. Hold on. So this is the user I just added right now, and as you can see, 29 people are following him already. That means once he makes his post, 29 people will vote him automatically, right? Alright, so but by default, it's at 100%, 0 minutes, and what does this 5 mean? Let me check that again. Okay, yeah, that means he, this this will vote 5 of his posts, right? So to edit any of this, no, I usually put this at 0, at 20, right, rather, and then this could be this, and you save that. Once you do that, you can see this notification right here, you're good to go. So that's how to use steemauto, and it helps you get more creation rewards.